Hello friends, today we are going to make a plastic bottle planter. So first we are going to use any plastic empty bottle which is waste, and now I'm going to use a marker to mark the area from where I have to cut. You can see I'm going to cut it from the upper side, so I'm going to mark it with the marker, and from the bottom also I have chosen some distance and I'm going to mark a line. So now I'm going to cut it. I'm just using a cutter, and now I am using scissor to cut it properly. And now I am going to cut the remaining part. So you can see I have cut the bottle into 3 pieces, and I'm going to use the upper one and the bottom one. And now I am going to clear all the edges properly because it is uneven, so I'm making it equal. So here my two shapes are ready, and I'm going to use it like that. I'm going to paste it in a opposite way. So first of all, I'm going to color it with Fabril color. You can use any acrylic color. So I'm going to put a white base color. You can use acrylic colors or Fabril colors to paint. So as you are seeing, I'm going to put white base color. I'm giving a first coat, and if the color is not clear, then you can also give the second coat. Let it dry and then you can give the second coat. I'm putting color in on both the bottle, the upper part and the bottom part. So you have to cover the bottle from all sides, from the top also. So now you can see it is dry now. And now I'm using a glue gun to paste it. So I'm putting some glue, and now I'm going to paste it like this. You can see I have keep both in the opposite direction, and you can see the shape should be like this. And I'm going to mark it. I'm going to drawing a face on the upper side. I'm making a face, and in bottom also I'm making a dress. So it should be a face planter. You can use a marker also if you want to make it clear. And now I'm using a pink color in face. It's a light pink. You can use any other color also if you want. I'm using the same acrylic color of pink shade. So you can see the upper part I will use as a face, and the joint is like a neck, and in the bottom one I'm going to make a body. So I'm using a blue shade, blue acrylic color in the bottom to make a dress. So you see I have covered all the area. And now I am using a brush with white color, black color, sorry, it's a black color, and I'm making an eyes, nose, and mouth. I'm filling the black color in the eyes. So as the same way I am making the dress, I'm making a round buttons. And now I'm going to use color. I'm using a yellow color to make some design. I'm giving a petal shape. You can make any shape. You can make a zigzag also, or you can make strips also. And I'm making a design in whole part. You have to use some bright colors or some contrast to make it more attractive. So you can see. And now I'm making a orange shade in the dress. I'm using all the bright and attractive colors, and giving some shades in button also. Filling in red color in the mouth, and also making an outline of a dress. and in the back I am going to paint a black color for hairs. You can use brown also. So you can see our planter is almost ready, a face planter. And now I'm going to put some plants and it should be look like this. So you can